Aquaponics. Aquaponics is a sustainable agricultural system that combines aquaculture, fish farming, with hydroponics, soilless plant cultivation. It is an innovative and efficient method of growing both fish and plants in a symbiotic environment. How does aquaponics work? 1. Fish tank, aquaculture. In an aquaponics system, fish are raised in a tank or pond. The fish produce waste in the form of ammonia-rich excrement. 2. Biofilter. The fish waste contains harmful ammonia, which needs to be converted into nitrites and then nitrates. A biofilter, usually consisting of beneficial bacteria, is set up to break down the ammonia into nitrites and further into nitrates. Nitrates are a valuable source of nutrients for plants. 3. Grow bed, hydroponics. The nitrates-enriched water is then circulated to a grow bed where plants are grown hydroponically. The grow bed can be filled with a medium like gravel, clay pellets, or a floating raft system. The plants extract nutrients from the water, effectively purifying it for the fish. 4. Plant growth. As the water passes through the grow bed, plants take up the nutrients, filtering and cleansing the water in the process. This clean water is then returned to the fish tank, completing the cycle. 5. Fish and plant relationship. The fish and plants form a mutualistic relationship. The fish waste provides essential nutrients for the plants, while the plants filter and clean the water for the fish. This continuous cycle creates a self-sustaining ecosystem. Benefits of aquaponics. 1. Resource efficiency. Aquaponics uses significantly less water compared to traditional soil-based agriculture because water is recirculated in the closed-loop system. 2. Nutrient recycling. The nutrient-rich fish waste is utilized to fertilize the plants, reducing the need for external fertilizers. 3. Organic and chemical-free. Aquaponic systems can be operated without the use of harmful pesticides or herbicides, making it an organic and environmentally friendly method of farming. 4. Year-round production. Aquaponics can be set up indoors, allowing for year-round production regardless of weather conditions. 5. High yield in small space. Aquaponics is highly space efficient, making it suitable for urban farming and areas with limited land availability. 6. Multiple harvests. Depending on the type of fish and plants used, both fish and vegetables can be harvested from the same system, maximizing productivity. Aquaponics is gaining popularity as a sustainable and innovative agricultural approach, particularly in areas where conventional farming is challenging or unsustainable. It offers a viable solution to produce food while conserving resources and minimizing environmental impact. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on the latest technology trends and innovations. Thanks for watching.